Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial on how to create a custom header in Shopify store. This is an ideal way to grab the first attention from customers when they visit your store. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Go to Theme Customization. First, log into your Shopify account. Then navigate to Online Store. Click the Customize button of your current theme, then you will be navigated to the Theme Customization area and start creating a custom header in your Shopify store. Step 2. Create a custom header in Shopify. First, choose the home page where you can customize the header. Take a look at the header section. Here, you can customize the announcement bar and header. Click in the announcement bar section. You can change the color scheme. You can show or hide the separator line. Show or hide the icon on desktop. Enable or disable the auto-rotate announcements option, and change every. Besides, you can enable or disable the country or region and language selector, so that your customers can choose the region and language they want. In the theme settings area, you can add the social channel links such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, etc. When the customers click on any link, they will reach the channel to explore more about your business. Now, you need to navigate to the header section to customize the header. You can change the logo position on the desktop as left, right, or middle. Here, I select the top center position. In the menu section, you can choose to display any type of menu you have in your store. Here, I choose the main menu. You can further customize the menu by clicking on Edit. Now, you can change the name and handle of the menu. You can also edit the menu item or remove any item if you want. For example, I remove the discount and FAQs item, and fix the lookbook to blog. Once finishing, click the Save button at the page bottom to update the menu. Now, return to the theme customization page, and continue the customizing process. You can change the menu type as drop-down or drawer or mega menu. Here, I select mega menu. Next, you can enable the sticky header or not. For example, I set the sticky header as on scroll up, so that whenever the customers scroll up, the sticky header will be displayed. Then, you can change the color scheme and the menu color scheme as your preference. Next, you can also allow the customers to select the country/region and the language according to their location. After that, you can choose to show or hide the avatar. And set the logo position in mobile. And then you should check how your header look on mobile devices. You can further edit the spacing and padding if you want. Open the Theme Settings section. You now can add a logo to your header by choosing an existing image or adding a new one from your computer. You can also select the cart types such as drawer, pop-up notification, and page. Once you finish, hit the Save button at the top right corner to update your changes. Step 3. Preview. It's time for you to see how the custom header you have created really look on your Shopify store. And here, you see it. Check all items until you are happy with it. Then done, and that's it. You have successfully created a custom header in Shopify. If you have any questions, please let us know by leaving a comment below. Thank you for watching.